Welcome to the second part of the video. This part is about how to install 3ds Max 2026 with free activation. Here, you can see all the installer files downloaded in the previous video, whose link is given below. To start the installation, double-click on setup.exe. After clicking, it will start preparing for the installation process. After the installation preparation process is completed, 3ds Max will start verifying all the minimum system requirements. Next, the License and Service Agreement page will appear. Read carefully and click on I agree. Click on Next. After clicking, the product installation location will appear. Here you keep all the default settings and click on Next. After clicking, additional component installation settings will appear. Keep the default settings and click Install. This 3ds Max software is large in size, and it may take a long time to install based on your PC configuration, so fast forward this portion. Let's wait for the complete installation. In between the installation process, you can start the product. For the time being, let's wait for complete installation. After a complete installation, a successful installation completion message will appear. Click on Start. After clicking, 3ds Max will start automatically. After startup, the license activation page may appear. For the first option, you have to enter your login ID or student ID information. If you want a free 3ds Max license, you have to create a student account. How to create a student account and get a free student license is already explained in my previous video. The link is given below. From this option, you can enter your serial number. From here, you can use a network license. Click on Sign in with your Autodesk ID. After clicking, sign in to your Autodesk account in browser will appear, and it will redirect you to the browser login page. Enter your Autodesk student ID. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign in. After clicking, it will show you your sign-in confirmation. Click on Go to Product. After clicking, an in-between startup page may appear. Put a tick on Don't Show Again. Click on Continue. After clicking, if your product startup page is not appearing, then don't panic. Go to the search bar and click on the 3ds Max shortcut. After clicking, your 3ds Max startup page will appear. In between startup, a welcome page may appear. Untick the welcome screen at startup. Click Close. Let's maximize the window. Here, you can see that your sign-in is confirmed. If you want to change the license type, click on the Sign-in. Click on Manage License. Here you can see the software is activated with a student license. Click on Change License Type. From the first option, you can switch users. So in this process, you can install and activate the 3ds Max 2026 software free of cost. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.